Hello guys, this is your Freedom Trader Collins FT. Once more again, we're gonna make another video of backtesting. So as you all know, or maybe you don't know yet, backtesting is the best way to practice and actually master the technical analysis. So it's only backtesting. Whatever you do, you have to backtest so that you know exactly what you're gonna do in the future. So before we go into the video, guys, make sure you like and subscribe and share. Put the notification button so that you get more of this uh, valuable stuff. So right now we're gonna backtest the GBP JPY. Okay, I wanted us to kind of like get into a choppy market based on my previous analysis. And I want us to have a market with movement so that at least it will make sense. So we can start wherever. So let's start from here. Okay, what we see here is the market was kind of consolidating. So when the market is consolidating, it's best time for you to wait and trade the breakout whenever you see a good signal. But note, there are always fake breakouts, or there are breakouts that will come back and retest for a very long time. So you got to be careful with that. So this was consolidation, and this is the first breakout, which kind of seemed to be a fake one because the market is coming back. But when you look at the breakout candle, it's not actually fake because it's a bullish momentum. I talk about these candles all the time. When you master the candles, you master the market structure. You trade with your demand and supply key levels. You take your profit, you enter, you get out. You buy at the support, you sell at the resistance. That is how you trade. It's just as simple as that. That is price action. That is market structure. And fundamentals got nothing to do with this. You can only trade fundamentals if you are a day trader, and for swing traders you don't have to kind of focus more on fundamentals. So right now we can see with this candle here, that was a breakout, but though there is this bearish engulfing which actually did something. But when you see like this, when you see something like this, it's not a signal. This bearish engulfing, it's not a reversal signal or a signal that the market is gonna sell. It has never been. This one, if it could happen, the opposite would have been a signal to buy. But up happening as a sell, it doesn't happen here. It has to happen below the moving average for you to take it as a confirmation to sell. But a bearish engulfing above the moving average and above a key level or a breakout level, it's not something to consider. So this was something to consider. This one here, guys, this was something to consider very seriously. Those are buy signals. Yeah, those are buy signals. They are actually buy confirmation. When you see this one, just enter. Go down to the 50 minutes time frame and enter, or the 5 minutes time frame. Whenever you see something like that, you just look for a lower time frame to enter. So that lower time frame, why, is so that you get a lesser stop loss. Yeah, but in all, your stop loss, you have to make sure your stop loss is somewhere here. Yeah, your stop loss should always be somewhere around here, not above. So with this, guys, we don't trust it, so we are not selling because this one did not happen down here. So what we have instead is this hammer that is telling us the market is gonna continue to buy. So before you enter or before you look for buys, you have to look for take profit, where you're gonna take profit, which level is available to take profit. If you can't find a level, then it's not time to buy or sell. So as you can see, it's a very profitable market. I mean, this one is a lucrative one. It's gonna give us a lot of pips. Yeah, so this is where we get out. So right now we did have this as a confirmation. So whatever it is, we know that the market is gonna buy. So all we can do now is just put our position. First, you put your position above here. You can put your buy stop above here. So your buy stop will be there. So whenever the market reaches here, it will trigger and buy. So even if it's coming down here, going up, coming down, going up, it's none of your business. Just wait for the market to reach here and trigger, unless you see another buy signal here, then you can enter. So let's go, guys. Remember, your buy stop is here. Whatever is happening here has nothing to do with you. This is another signal. For some people, you can enter here now. So meanwhile you have your buy stop here, you can start entering here with smaller lot sizes, just a very small lot size, hoping that the market just continues from there, and knowing that even if it comes back and kick you out at this level, no problem. Yeah, so we move, guys. Okay, you got kicked out, but you are prepared. You just prepare to re-enter. So we're gonna be looking for something like this. We're gonna be looking for something like this here, but something like this as a buy, not a bearish one, but a bullish engulfing candle. We're going to be looking for it here above the moving average. That's something we're going to be looking for. So entering here was just a little bit too early and too fast, so there we got stopped out. No problem, we keep on waiting. That's why at times you have to sit on your hands. It's a good lesson here also. You know already where the market is going to go. You put your buy stops already, but kind of being able to chill and wait is not easy. So that's why you make mistakes, and this was a mistake that we made here. We got kicked out and we learned a lesson. So right now we are not going to enter until we get a full confirmation. Okay, guys, so this could have been a confirmation. This other one could have been a full confirmation, but since we got kicked out from this one, we were scared to re-enter here. So but knowing that we have our buy stops here, it's still okay, because right now we are missing out, and the fear of missing out actually caught up with us. So actually this is another signal. So with GBP JPY, you'll be seeing a lot of this, and that is the thing with GBP JPY. It's very confusing, but when it makes a move, it's always a big move and a good one. So we're starting to see things like this. Immediately this one was broken. It's a good signal and it's a good sign. Okay, it's triggered, guys. Our buy stop is triggered. So now is where to put our stop loss. It's a very huge stop loss, but we got to put it because we still have we have also, so one risk reward is 1.79. It's 1.79. This is 1.79 because it's a very confident one, and I'm very sure it's gonna go hit our take profit here. So, or we could still reduce it, same as we could still reduce it to this other level to make it 2.36, which is good. Yeah, which is good. So let's go, guys. So it got, remember, it triggered. We are on drawdown now. We are on drawdown. So this is that signal I was talking about, guys. Look at it. Look at how clean it is now. You see how clean this signal is? This is the signal I was talking about. This is pure confirmation that you enter. So even if it's bullish engulfing above the moving average, above the resistance, that is a buy. This is the buy confirmation I was talking about. And where did it come? It came when our trade is already triggered, and right now you can enter more trades. Yeah, you can now enter more trades, and you're going to the moon. So let's go, guys. See, that's it. That's why I love GU, guys. You see, we got hit already. We got hit already. So this is it, guys. This is it. And it's about patience. As I said, it's about patience, being patient. We made that mistake here. We put our buy stops, which we all know at this point, when the market hits a bullish, breaks breaks the level of a bullish engulfing or a bearish engulfing, from the opposite side it goes. So I told you guys we are waiting for something like this here. We found it, and that's it. Yeah. So thank you, guys. Make sure you like and share and subscribe.